The donut roll front bumper line is a 100-foot inch and 3/4 attack line. Begin by placing both 50-foot sections of hose on the ground. Each section of hose will need to be folded over itself with the male coupling on top, approximately 6 to 8 inches from the end of the female coupling. Begin rolling from the end that does not have any couplings and work your way towards the end with the male and female couplings. Roll the second section in the same way. Rolling the sections of hose is best accomplished with 2 firefighters. One firefighter rolls tightly from the non-coupling end, while the other firefighter pulls slack out of the top part of the line. When rolling is complete, the couplings should be next to each other. Once both hose rolls are completed, place the first roll in the hose tray and connect it to the discharge. Place the second roll next to the first roll and connect the 2 couplings. Take the final male end and connect it to the nozzle. To deploy, grab the coupling and nozzle and pull. As you pull, the donut rolls shall unroll themselves either in the bed or may fall outside of the apparatus and unroll themselves on the ground.